What makes Binance stand out among other cryptocurrencies? Well, it's not just a currency, it's a whole ecosystem. Let's take a moment to introduce Binance, a titan in the world of cryptocurrency exchanges. With its roots spread across the globe, Binance has grown exponentially, vaulting to the top as the largest exchange in terms of trading volume, a testament to its influence and reach. But it's not just size that sets Binance apart, it's the technology behind it. Binance is a powerhouse of technological innovation in the crypto world. At the heart of this innovation is its high-performance matching engine, a feat of engineering that can handle 1.4 million orders per second. This engine ensures that trading on Binance is smooth, efficient, and reliable, no matter the volume of transactions. Next, we have the Binance Chain. This is a blockchain software system that Binance developed in collaboration with the community. The Binance Chain is the backbone of Binance's ecosystem, providing the infrastructure for issuing and managing digital assets. And then there's the Binance Smart Chain. This is where Binance truly shines. The Smart Chain enables developers to build decentralized applications and digital assets on one blockchain. It also allows for fast trading to exchange it on the other, creating a seamless experience for users. These features make Binance versatile, powerful, and user-friendly. So, what sets Binance apart? It's the high-performance matching engine that efficiently processes transactions. It's the Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain, which foster a robust ecosystem for digital assets. These features not only provide a high level of functionality, but also offer flexibility to users. It's the fusion of these elements that enables Binance to disrupt the crypto market, pushing boundaries and setting new benchmarks. Innovation, versatility, and power. That's what makes Binance a standout in the world of cryptocurrencies.